The 2026 BMW M8 arrives as a bold statement of what a grand touring performance car can be, blending breathtaking power with the luxury and precision that have long defined the M division. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the M8 commands attention with a silhouette that is both muscular and elegant. The front fascia is dominated by a reimagined kidney grille, now more sculpted and aerodynamically integrated than ever before. Sleek laser headlights with adaptive matrix technology cut sharply into the night, while the elongated hood and chiseled side panels emphasize the car's low, wide stance. Every curve seems purposeful, from the air-breathing vents behind the front wheels to the subtle ducktail spoiler integrated into the rear decklid, all designed to reduce drag and increase downforce. The 20-inch forged alloy wheels come wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, and a new selection of M-exclusive colors, such as Frozen Deep Green and Marina Bay Blue 2, give buyers a chance to make a personal statement. Carbon fiber accents along the mirror caps, roof, and rear diffuser not only save weight but also underscore the car's motorsport heritage. Under the hood, BM's engineering prowess is on full display. The 2026 M8 retains a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, but engineers have thoroughly reworked the internals for even sharper response and greater efficiency. Output now stands at a staggering 640 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque, channeled through an updated 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission. The result is relentless acceleration. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in a blistering 3.0 seconds flat, making this M8 one of the fastest grand tourers on the planet. An advanced iDrive all-wheel drive system continues to offer selectable modes, including a rear-wheel drive setting for those who want to experience pure, unfiltered dynamics. BMW's Active M differential intelligently distributes power across the rear axle, maximizing grip out of corners while allowing for a hint of playful oversteer when desired. Adaptive M suspension with electronically controlled dampers reads the road and driver inputs in milliseconds, delivering a ride that is supple on long journeys yet razor-sharp when the pace quickens. Performance is nothing without control, and the M8 delivers it in abundance. The steering, now featuring a revised electric power assist, communicates with precision and a newfound lightness that makes tight mountain switchbacks a delight. Carbon ceramic brakes, available as part of the M Carbon package, offer fade-free stopping power and reduce unsprung weight. BMW's engineers have also refined the car's aerodynamics with a fully flat underbody and active grille shutters, improving both stability at speed and overall fuel efficiency. Despite its prodigious power, the 2026 M8 manages a respectable combined fuel economy of around 21 miles per gallon, thanks to cylinder deactivation and a new 48-volt mild hybrid system that provides a subtle boost during acceleration while allowing for smoother stop-start transitions in city driving. Slip inside the cabin and the M8 greets you with a blend of cutting-edge technology and handcrafted luxury. Merino leather upholstery covers every surface, while contrast stitching and carbon fiber trim highlight the sporting intent. New for 2026 is BMW's curved display setup, a sweeping 14.9-inch infotainment screen merged seamlessly with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The latest iDrive 9 operating system brings a host of enhancements, from improved voice recognition to more intuitive touch and gesture controls. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integrate wirelessly, while a Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system fills the cabin with concert hall clarity. For those who crave an even more exclusive touch, the BMW individual program offers unique interior color palettes, bespoke trims, and Alcantara headliners that rival bespoke luxury brands. Driver assistance and safety technology are equally advanced. The M8 now comes standard with BM's Highway Assistant, allowing for semi-automated driving on approved highways at speeds up to 85 miles per hour. A full suite of features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, ensures peace of mind whether you are carving up back roads or embarking on a cross-country journey. Despite the wealth of tech, the cockpit remains distinctly driver-focused. The thick-rimmed M steering wheel houses customizable M1 and M2 buttons, letting you instantly summon your preferred engine, suspension, and steering settings for spirited drives. In terms of driving character, the 2026 M8 continues to strike a balance between luxury grand tourer and track-capable sports car. On a winding road, the car feels smaller than its size suggests, with quick turn and an immense grip that instill confidence. The V8's soundtrack, enhanced by the M Sport exhaust, is a deep, thunderous growl that builds to a metallic wail as the revs climb, yet it quiets down in comfort mode for refined cruising. Long-distance journeys reveal a serene side, the cabin remains hushed at highway speeds, and the adaptive suspension soaks up imperfections with ease. This duality is what makes the M8 so compelling. It can deliver supercar performance one moment and limousine-like comfort the next. Pricing reflects its flagship status. The 2026 BMW M8 Coupe starts around $145,000, while the convertible commands a slight premium at roughly $155,000. The Competition package, which adds 17 extra horsepower, unique wheels, and enhanced chassis tuning, pushes the price closer to $160,000. Options such as carbon ceramic brakes, the M-Carbon exterior package, and bespoke BMW individual finishes can raise the total well past $170,000 for a fully loaded example. While not inexpensive, the M8's a combination of performance, luxury, and everyday usability makes it a compelling alternative to rivals like the Mercedes-AMG S63 Coupe, Porsche 911 Turbo S, and Aston Martin DB12. Owners will also appreciate BMW's included maintenance program, covering scheduled service for the first 3 years or 36,000 miles. Warranty coverage remains comprehensive, with 4 years or 50,000 miles of bumper-to-bumper protection. The mild hybrid system's battery components are covered for 8 years or 80,000 miles, adding confidence for long-term ownership. The 2026 BMW M8 stands as a testament to BMW's ability to evolve the grand touring formula without sacrificing the visceral excitement that enthusiasts crave. It is as comfortable devouring highway miles as it is attacking apexes on a racetrack, offering a driving experience that is both indulgent and exhilarating. For those seeking a car that merges stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and supercar rivaling performance, the M8 remains one of the most desirable choices in the high-performance luxury coupe segment. Whether you're a devoted BMW fan or simply someone who appreciates automotive excellence, the 2026 M8 is proof that the ultimate driving machine is alive and well, and perhaps more thrilling than ever.